Hi guys, it's another episode of Tuchano and Leo. Listen, I rarely post at this time, but please allow me to do so. Now, um, normally when I post, I look at your questions and I'm like, this particular question, I just see them and I'm like, people are asking me for this certain thing. And out of that, sometimes a business mind or a business idea is born. Okay. And sometimes I just want to share this. I've wanted to post this for a while, but nasa how because sometimes I'm overwhelmed. Now, a lot of you guys are asking me about packaging materials, especially the gift boxes. This is an idea that you can jump in. Listen, a lot of young people are in business right now. And if you ask me, Uhuru bags mimi was in Bambi, but because those are only the options that we have. But as a business, and if you are an upcoming, you want to you want to jazz your customers with good packaging. This is a business that you can take over. All right, you can find this niche and take this business and start it. Now, perspective. Listen, you have watched and you have seen exactly how much those packaging materials are ranging. Kuna za 6 bob, kuna za 5 bob, kuna za adi bob. All right. Well, if you translate that, kama ukiweka kwa dollar, of course itaenda juu, but of course there's a way utafanya tu na upate pesa yako, upate profit. Okay. So you can create that. You can find, you can make, yani you can get into that niche. Yani wewe ukue, you are dealing with all packaging materials, and especially something that young people will love, young people will appreciate, young people will want. Okay, so that these are gift boxes. Moja ni 35. And hey, listen, before you start fighting, Alibaba has a lot of suppliers to check out. A lot of suppliers. What you need to do, you just need to do your background check. Uhakikishe this is a legit supplier. And then you can go ahead, bargain, because yes, you can bargain on this platform. And then you can start that as a business. Market yourself. Open up an account on TikTok. It's free. You can approach me. Let me market for you, maybe. I'll not charge you a lot of money. So let's get you out there. You'll get visibility. People will know you. People will know you. They will know this is what you do. You have this and this, and they will be coming to you. The internet is what you need to get into right now. No one wants to go, hakuna mtu siku hizi anaenda huko sijui wapi, and if you guys have known some of these places, it's because some of us have taken that initiative to bring the shops to the internet, right? So if you can have someone on the internet who is doing this, that someone should be you. All right, now look at that. Thank you. Me, sometimes I buy packaging because I'm like, ooh, this looks good. Okay, this looks good. And we are girls, we love things that are wrapped well, sindio? And that's why even a guy will look at you with all your makeup and anakuangalia naona, oh my god, this one looks so good. Why? Because you are well presented. All right, so maybe think about it, go through it. I don't want to bombard you with a lot of things. Just go and sit down and look at it and see whether this is a feasible. All right, is that what even in Asamangwa? Yeah, look at uone kama it's something that you will want to get in. Okay, I just wanted to post that out there because it's something that I've been wanting. I will have a series of things that you can import from Alibaba that cost you very small money and will definitely give you a high profit. So you don't have to complain that no, I don't have money for importing, because listen, what you need a very small amount to do that. All right. So I probably just picked the sort of packaging materials that I find fancy and great. Okay, so that is what I just was looking at. Okay, so you can look at this. If you need help, of course, with looking around Alibaba. If you cannot watch my YouTube channel, by the way, I have a YouTube channel where I teach this. So go check me out. Zell. You can type Ice Pop Business in Kenya, and you'll be able to find me. Okay. You can also include thank you cards. Yani you ukue wewe sasa packaging kila kitu ni yako. Okay. You're doing everything packaging. Now, these are shreds. I have posted a video yenye ilikuwa na shreds, and a lot of people asked me about where can I get the shreds? Where can I get the shreds? And my shreds, I think nilikuwa nimetoa House of Leather. Now I bought it at 200, this whole set. Now, shreds, they are used for, gift. Sahili wanataka kuweka gift, just stuffing. Kuna vile shreds huwa zinakaa tu vizuri. Some other people use them for other, purposes. But you can also put shreds. Na umeona pa hiyo bag moja ni 24 bob. Okay? Hata ukiweka kwa dollar, I don't think it's not that high. And again, you don't only have one supplier. Kuna wengi, you can compare. Now, these are sticker notes. Sticker notes, kuna zile zinauzangwa kuna mahali zinauzangwa 1 shillings per sticker. These thank you sticker notes are very, very nice. Unazieka, I use them a lot when I am also packaging my products zile za kuuza. Okay? Na easy per roll, kuna ule unaona wanauza hata 50 bob. Na roll iko na 500 pieces. Come on, guys. Think about it. All right? Good night.